So here's some real talk about building the right kinds of habits and routine as a music producer, as an artist, as a musician. Now, to be honest with you, there's a lot of pretty problematic advice out there on YouTube because most well-known channels try to sell you on a specific formula. It's like the secret to being productive, the perfect morning routine, the perfect evening routine, and so on and so forth. Now, the issue that I see with that is that we completely neglect the fact that, first of all, people are wired very differently, and it's completely okay to, for example, not get up at 5 a.m. in the morning and to get a lot of things done during that time. So if you've heard of that miracle morning advice, it's like you wake up super early and the first thing that you do is write your morning pages and so on and so forth before you then get in your creative zone. And this might be the perfect solution for some people, but it might be terrible advice for other people. If you are a night owl and you like to work at night and this is your most creative time and you just need to sleep in the morning to get enough sleep, which by the way is one of the most important factors for creativity overall, then your routines will look completely different. Now, the takeaway for you here is that I still encourage you to experiment and to find out what types of routines work for you, what actually facilitates your creativity and what gets you in the zone creatively. Because overall, I still agree with this advice that yes, you need to build some kind of routines that automatically let you produce the best work again and again and again. So here's my word of encouragement. Try to experiment with building up some sort of routine that works for you and get some inspiration by other channels, hopefully also from this one. But don't think that someone can sell you the magic formula, and don't fall for this type of general advice. I hope this was helpful to you. Let me know in the comment what your current creativity routine is, and I hope to hear from you soon, and I will be back with a new video also soon. Bye bye.